Alright, so I was going to mic myself up, but I was scared that I was going to mess it all up, so here's me doing a voiceover after the fact. First thing I did was take off the O2 sensor. I then went back around the back and loosened up the bit where the slip-on goes onto the exhaust. I don't know what it's called. I then undid the main header bolts to loosen it all up, and then I went down to this part. Is it the muffler? Maybe it's the muffler. Or is it the catalytic? Whatever it is, I undid those bolts which keep it attached, so now it's kind of just sitting there waiting. I then went round to the slip-on and loosened up these bolts because I thought it'd be easier if I took this off to get the new system on. Loosened up this and you see it just pop, there it goes, drops down. Still loosening them. And then I went round and I just slid it off. That bit that falls out, that's the gasket, I think it's called. Make sure you don't lose that, it has to go back on. Look at this rusty piece of shit. That can go straight in the bin. Yeah, heavy. Ooh, heavy. Here's a gasket for you to look at. This is the new exhaust off AliExpress. Don't ask me where it's from because I don't know, and it was cheap. It cost me about $70. This is the pipe. Link pipe, I think it's called. I do not know, but it's a pipe. And then this is the bit that goes into the engine, I guess. Popping the gasket back in, as you can see, I didn't lose it. Well done, me. Pop that bit into the bit in the engine, and then it's got this little like connector thing, which you then tighten the bolts. Make sure you put it on washer, and then like the spring washer thing, and then the bolts, and tighten it down. Don't over tighten it. I think I might have over tightened it. Wiggle it in, make sure it's not touching anything. Just don't tighten them all the way. Tighten them slightly loosely. Oh my god, I'm getting kind of tired. How much longer? One more minute. And then this part, I think this is the link pipe actually. Slide it on. Now you can see those little hooks. There's the spring. I don't have the little tool to pull them, so I used the end of some pliers. But it was kind of hard like this because not everything was tight. You can see it all wiggling around. So I tried again. Couldn't get it on, so I decided I'd wait. This took me a lot longer than I just showed. That's the bottom of, I don't know what that is, sorry. Oh, that's the bottom of the slip-on. And then you connect it up to that link pipe, I think we're calling it. And then you tighten that little bracket thing. Make sure it's all the way up in there, nice and tight and good and proper. Bit of oil on my hands, perfect. Not quite sure what I'm doing there. I think I might be tightening up the bracket to make sure the exhaust doesn't fall off. But yeah, anyway, how was your weekend? Oh, and then I'm cleaning off all fingerprints and stuff. I don't know if it makes a difference if it's not a full titanium exhaust, but I know, I saw it on a TikTok video, so yeah, me cleaning it off with an old white t-shirt that I no longer want. And then what's next after I've done that? Oh yeah, screw the O2 sensor back in. Be careful with this because it kind of can get a bit bound up. And now listen to the baby purr. All right. It's quite loud. Holy cow, that is loud. Let's just let it warm up for a sec. Oh my god, it's so loud. Holy heavens. Oh my god. It is funny though. Oh. Is that obnoxious? I mean, if I just roll around, I'm in fifth now. Oh god. I guess we'll just we'll go with it.
Oh no! Oh, what have I done? Oh, that is horrendous. I am such a menace. Oh mate, what have I done? 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 I should have just got a slip on. Oh. Oh, this is comical. It is like a dirt bike. It's nowhere near as loud as my MC22 was, my Honda, but it's pretty fucking obnoxious. Oh, I hate myself, but I love myself at the same time. Does it feel more powerful? I don't know, but it definitely feels fucking more annoying to people. Okay, people aren't staring, so maybe it's just loud when you're on it. Oh no, it is loud. That guy just gave me the finger. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, can I do this? Can I do this? Maybe, do I need a muffler? Oh, a bigger muffler? Or is this just, are we just gonna live with this? Cool. I ride to work at like 5 in the morning. I'm gonna piss off everyone. It's so loud. Oh god. At least I think that guy back there was giving me the finger. He put 2 fingers up, which sometimes means like, rock on man. But a lot of time it means shut the fuck up. Oh, what have I done? Oh god, oh god, oh god, I've become the one thing I hate, a fucking yob. I swore I would never. I swore I would never become a yob. And here I am, on a bright green bike, wearing shorts because I forgot my trousers, popping away on a single cylinder, with an exhaust I got off AliExpress and fitted myself. Oh, that is shocking. That is shocking. I feel like the gauge is how many old people scowl at you. So far, 1, that's 2. Oh, I'm a piece of shit. I just am a piece of shit now. Oh, they're laughing at me. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Oh, they've left a nice gap for me. Oh, this is what we wanted. A 0 to the speed limit. Oh, boo. When's our light? Oh, what a fucking bike! Oh, Jesus! god damn holy heavens. That is comical. That is absolutely comical. Oh my god. What's up, brother? Oh, this bloody bike. Oh god, I just cannot express how funny this is to ride. Oh Jesus. Oh. I mean, look, if I get sick of it, I can put the old bike back on, but I think I'm gonna grow to love it. Just like a yobbo little dirt bike. I'm such a piece of shit. Oh god. This is... Oh, listen to that downshifting. Here we go. No. Oh, there's no catching me. That was a whole 60 kilometers an hour, boy. Oh god, there's no one catching me. How fast does your bike go? Yeah, all the way. What that speedo do, boy? Oh, I got the oh my god. Oh, do you know what? I might not even get another bike until I'm on my fulls. This is so fun. Oh, I need the toilet. I think I might. Oh, it feels like I'm about to shit myself. I think I might. Oh my god. What an obnoxious child I am.